How's it going, you guys? Today I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough of this 2024 Harris 210 Breeze. This is a brand new model by Harris. It is just a perfect everyday tri-tune for every occasion. It's really nice. You've got this massive aft swim platform. You also have a huge bow swim platform up front. So tons of space out here for when you pull up to the sandbar to set up your post. Got your access door here. Pull up to the dock. And pushing this breeze, you're gonna feel the breeze when you're going fast with this 150 Mercury pushing this tri-tune. Here in the stern of this 210 Harris Breeze, we've got, you can see the size of this swim platform back here. We got a ton of room back here. You've also got this big ski bar. Pull the kids on the tube, wakeboard, doing some backflips, all that fun stuff. Moving into the cockpit area. Bench seat on both sides. You've got plenty of seating accommodation in here in this backside cockpit. Battery here, and then tons of storage underneath. You've got two speakers down here underneath the aft seating. And that brings us to the helm. It's got this big captain's chair here at the helm. So the captain can be comfy, first and foremost. And at the helm here, we've got our audio head unit, Lowrance display, analog gauges, rocker switches, and binnacle. 3 cup holders for the captain, very important. Moving forward up here, we've got our 2 front benches. You've even got sort of sun seat here for the backrest. More storage underneath all these seats. Like I said, you've got plenty of storage underneath here. Keep all your toys out of harm's way. More cup holders there. And coming up to this massive front porch. So you can be on your front porch looking into your beautiful new Harris pontoon. All right, you guys, that is going to do it for the walkthrough on this 2024 Harris Breeze 210. If you have any questions about this boat or you want to come and check it out yourself, this boat is available here at MarineMax Cocoa. Or you can give us a call anytime at 321-636-3142. Thank you guys, and I'll see you next time.